In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide notifications preview. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And now I'm on my lock screen and now I got there some notifications, and let me show you how to set up this feature. So first open up your settings and then once you are on settings, hit their notifications and there hit on show previews, and there you are able to switch between three options. It's always, when unlocked, or never. Now my option set to always, so here I got the application that send me notification like Gmail here, and always there I got the content of that notification. I can set it to never, and now notifications look like that. So I got the app and I don't able to see the content never. If it's locked or unlocked, doesn't matter. Also I can select when unlocked, and now if I lock my screen, when screen is locked, I got that situation when I see app and don't see content. And if I unlock with my Face ID, now I got notifications with some content inside. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.